Kurumirira gucaca kwa haro gatagati ka bururi wa Israel na Lebanon neria gukinyaniria na riu icungiriirie ikuo cia andu 800 andu 5,000 kugurario na makiri ma andu gutigwo matari na uikaro. Riu thirikari ya Kenya niugite ni yariire mitaratara ya gutigirira Kenya aria mari Lebanon ni macokio na mucii.
On Tuesday 15th October 2024
agicokia ciuria mbunge-ini ya Senate, Minister wa maundu ma nanja wa bururi MUSALIA MUDAVADI augite thirikari ni igite KEHERI-INI muigana wa ciringi mirioni 100 iria iguteithiriria gucokia AKENYA aya na mucii o ndomwe na gukinyaniria mitaratara ingi ya ugitiri.
Sometimes we have cases where Kenyans are in distress and some can signal the embassy and say they are in distress. There are others who do not speak at all when they are in distress, so you sometimes stumble on information, but maybe it was not volunteered by the person in question.
MUSALIA augite makiria ma Kenya 26,000 niyo mari bururi-ini wa Lebanon, akiuga thirikari ni ireka uria wothe ngihota gutigirira gutiri mu Kenya ugutigwo gwatini.
But our missions have intervened in various circumstances to try and guide Kenyans in distress and help them to access legal services in different areas. But please remember, it is a very expensive undertaking.
Oho MUDAVADI ni ugite gukinyaniria na riu no AKENYA 1,200 kuma kuri AKENYA 26,000 aria maikaraga bururi-ini wa Lebanon meyandikithitie na Ministry ya maundu ma nanja wa bururi kuitukira ubaruthi wa Kenya uria uri Kuwait makienda uteithio wa gucokio na mucii.
Through our embassy in Kuwait was sending out messages so that those who are in distress can register. Even before the war escalated, this was ongoing. And I think we had received almost about 1,500 or so who had registered with the embassy, indicating that they may need support.
Iguru ria uguo MUDAVADI ni ugite thirikari ni heanite namba ya hinahi iria AKENYA aria maikaraga bururi-ini wa Lebanon mangihuthira niguo mateithiririo ni thirikari.
The government of Kenya has set aside 100 million, and there's a committee in the foreign affairs working with the security and other agencies to see how this 100 million can be utilized to assist in the evacuation of Kenyans who are in Lebanon at this point in time.
Kuri mweri wa gatandatu na wa kanana, thirikari ya Kenya ni yaruguririe mubango wa naihenya wa kugitira AKENYA aria mari bururi-ini wa Lebanon, kuria yathire aria othe mangienda uteithio kwiyandikithia na ministry mbere ya tariki 12 mweri uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.